We've been established for over 12, 13 years now. Recently moved to a new location in Wickham Market in near Woodbridge, and we've just decided to take on the engine carbon cleaning from FlexFuels. We are garage services. We have everything in here from tyre fitting, air conditioning, full diagnostics. Pretty much anything you need on your vehicle, we can accommodate that. On any engine, whether it be petrol or diesel, they do create a lot of carbon when the engine is actually running. And that, if it is not cleaned out, can block up vital items like EGR valves, turbos, catalysts, DPFs and stuff like that. And then that can cause you expensive repair bills. With this process, obviously it does clean out those deposits. So if this process is done, there's a good chance that you're going to not have these big bills. Your fuel economy will go up, and you'll also feel a massive difference with responsiveness of your engine. It'll feel cleaner, it'll feel newer. And that's why we advertise this process, because obviously it is beneficial in a lot of different ways. We're going to carry out a carbon clean on this BMW here. Machine is here, obviously ready to go. Simple process. What we do is we just get the machine's pipe. We remove the intake pipe from just after the airflow meter and put the pipe into the intake system, and obviously put the pipe back on, so it's a sealed system. We then start the machine on a 60 or 90 minute, or you can do up to 120 minutes depending on how much you need to clean it. We then run the engine at between 2,500 and 3,000 RPM for the 45 minutes of the process, and then obviously leave it to idle for the last 15 minutes. We leave the machine to do its thing, and then we obviously take it for a nice road test just to check that everything's okay, and that pretty much is the process. We've gone for FlexFuels because it's more environmentally friendly. It uses distilled water to create hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas obviously stimulates all the carbon deposits in the engine, and obviously when it goes through the engine, it then expels it out of the exhaust pipe. We're only using distilled water. We're not using any chemicals. We can offer a really good service to the customer, but we're not infecting the environment at the same time.